Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Engineers Academy. Today, we are going to discuss SQL interview question. Today's question, most frequently purchased subcategory in each region. Using Superstore table, we find the top subcategory per region, along with the count of purchases, ordered ascending by region. Here is the SQL query, and this is the expected output. Now we will build this in Snowflake. First, we create our Superstore table, and you can see Superstore table created successfully. Now we insert our sample data, 9 rows in total, matching our sample input. And you can see the number of rows inserted are 9. Now we will move on to query explanation. Our query uses a CTE. Inside it, we select region, sub_category, and a count of sub_category as purchase_count, grouped by region and sub_category. In the outer query, we add a dense_rank, partitioned by region and ordered by purchase_count descending, labeled RNK, giving the top subcategory in each region a rank of 1. Instead of where, we use qualify RNK equals 1, which lets us filter directly on the window function without a subquery. Finally, we order by region. Let's run this now. And here's our output. 3 rows, 1 per region. East shows chairs with a purchase_count of 2. South shows tables with a purchase_count of 3. And West shows binders with a purchase_count of 2. Every row also shows an RNK of 1, confirming each one is the top subcategory for its region. Thank you for watching this video. And for more details, contact Data Engineers Academy.